Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Today I have something other than cards to share with you. I don't do that too often, but every once in a while I like to put in something fun. So what we're going to do today is some super adorable gift packaging. That is super easy. You know, it's kind of the gift giving season, but actually the gift packaging I'm going to share with you today isn't necessarily Christmassy, but it's featuring a couple of products that Stampin' Up! Has in the catalog that most people miss, and they're beautiful. This would be great little gift packages for friends for just whatever reason, or maybe a birthday party or coworkers or a shower or something. They're using these really pretty copper gift bags that we have, along with a tag kit and then some fun little stamping. I made up a bunch of them already to share with you, and I thought they're super cute. So we're going to flip the camera down. I'm going to show you the products that I'm using today, and then I'm going to put together a couple of these little tags for you and show you how easy they are and how adorable they are. Now, before I flip the camera down, just a quick reminder, if you're brand new to following me, thank you so much. I hope you like what I share with you every week. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a little red button right down there, and share me with your friends. If you've got friends that like quick and easy stamping videos, that's my middle name, Quick and Easy. And I like to say quick and easy doesn't mean boring. I like to share fun projects with you as well. And if you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to be that person. Pick me, pick me. I am a full-time demonstrator. I'd love to help you with all your stamping needs and your questions. So hop on over to my website and you can request a catalog over there if you'd like one, or ask me any questions if I can help you in any way. So that's enough jibber jabber, chit chat, whatever you want to call it. Let's get to our projects today. Hold on, I'm going to flip the camera down. Like I said, these products are kind of hidden in the catalog. This is kind of a boring page. I'm on page 172 and 173, but there's this kit. It's called Tags More Accessory Kit, and there is enough stuff here to make 10 really cute, adorable gift tags. Now, you really can use any stamps, but I'm pairing it with the Delightful Day. This stamp set is perfect for gift tags. We could do treats made with love. These little bags, you could put a cookie in them. Wishing you a delightful birthday if you wanted to do something for birthdays. What we're doing today is just a little something for you, because they're just little special gifts for some special people. But the stamp set's on page 34, and then we're going to go back here. These are these copper dotted treat bags that I'm using. So those paired with our accessory kit here that has copper in it as well. Look at these beautiful copper little clips. They work perfectly together. So let's go ahead and flip this over. Now, don't worry about wondering what all these products are that I'm using. Down in the link, or down in the description of the video, or right down there as well, there'll be a link to my blog post. I'll have pictures of these projects for you, along with a list of all the different supplies that I'm using. Now, I've already made up several of them. There's enough stuff in this kit to make 10 of these gift tags. So this is what's left. And then I'm going to show you all of them so you kind of see all the different colors and all the different designs. So they come with the larger tag, and this does have a little hole in it, so we can pop that out there. I'm just using my piercing tool. The colors in this kit, I love how they go together. We have terracotta tile, coastal cabana, what do we got here? Pretty peacock, I got them all out. Granny apple green and blackberry bliss. So there's the printed tags, and then there's also the white label ones. And so you could mix and match these. I kept all mine with the coordinating colors together like so. And then I'm going to just go ahead and use the pretty peacock. Let's see, we'll get this part out of there. And since these are just little special gifts for some special people, on all of them, I'm making them all the same. Just a little something for you. And then in this stamp set is also this fun little flower. And I like that these are two-step, so they're a couple different pieces, which makes it really easy to just stamp my green. And then we can come back in, and we've got the blackberry bliss color. I don't use that often, but I really like how it looks. And so I just stamped the little flower on there. And then to put these together, we're going to go ahead and use some of our liquid adhesive. Make sure you keep it just in the middle, because when we stick this down, some of it hangs off to the side and you don't want it sticking to your scrap paper there. And then we'll do the same here on the terracotta one. I really love this terracotta color, everything about it. There we go. So I didn't have to do any cutting because all of this was part of this tag kit. And like I said, you could stamp these with any stamps. This one is just really designed to work so perfect with it. And then in there, you also get baker's twine. So you've got all of these different colors. Why don't we go ahead and use some of the granny apple green. And I'm gonna just feed this through. Oops, I forgot a scissors. Let me grab that. There we go. We're just gonna feed it through and cut a piece off. Now, like I said, it makes 8 tags and I already have 8 of them done. So these are the final, and you'll see I have quite a bit of this baker's twine left. So if you wanted to use these tags and tie them, say tie the baker's twine around a little box or something else, there's certainly enough of it. You can see how much is left there. I could, use this all different ways, or make your tags and then you just have this left over, and it's going to work perfect on cards as well, because we don't have a lot of colored baker's twine anymore. So I love the colors of this. So just a little bow on there. We can bring these down. So there's our 2 tags. Now the copper gift bags are, I don't know, can you see how pretty they are, how shiny they are? Now all I did, and I'll just go ahead and bring in the ones I've put stuff in. I have little gifts inside of these, and I just took the bag, I folded the top over, and then I took my tag and stuck it on there with the little clips. How cute is that? So let me just clean this up, and I'm going to show you all the different ones. Like I said, we have all different shapes. So each of the different colors came in, the more square tag, and then the one with the more banner end on them. So there would be our 2 in the terracotta. And then here's these 2. And you can see how I just used different colors here. So there's 2 of the, what do we have? Blackberry Bliss. I love the little polka dots on that one. So you can see how I made all of these the same. And I just put little gifts in here for some special people. And then we have the granny apple green. So I have a pile of gifts all made. Like I said, wouldn't these be perfect for a bridal shower? I mean, you could even stamp something kind of wedding-y on there, bridal shower, baby shower, whatever you want. So again, I will have a link in the description of the video. I know this was a super short video today, but I didn't have a whole lot of stamping to do, but I really wanted to show you these products because once I made up these gift bags, I thought they were so darn cute. I know I'm going to be making more of these for some other occasions. Like I said, lots of leftover baker's twine. And then there also is some copper washi tape that comes as part of that kit that I didn't even use. I honestly kind of forgot about it. So I'm going to use this on some other project sometime. So as always, if you have any questions or I can help you with anything, make sure to leave me a comment or email me. I'm here to help you with all your stamping needs. So I look forward to stamping with you again real soon. Have a stamp happy day.